Guys, dumating yung parcel ko na casing with tempered. Di ko sure kung may tempered nga siyang kasama. Pero ayan, dumating na siya ngayon. So, let's unbox. Yan, ang ganda. May free siyang dalawang tempered. Akala ko isa lang. Then may tali siya. I am very happy to send you my favorite products. If you like it, can you give us a 5-star review? If you have any question, please contact us online. Ayan, may paganyan sila guys. Ang galing naman na napag-orderan ko. So, ayan. So, good naman. Kasi dalawa yung tempered and then isang case. So, ilalagay na natin to guys. Thank you so much.